Hi, I am Dr. Sashikumar Muthu, Plastic and Cosmetic Surgeon, Pearl Health. In the last video, we were discussing about how to choose a right shampoo to be used. In this video, I would like to highlight on how to choose a right conditioner to the scalp. See, after every shampoo, we have to use a conditioner, one to retain the silky and smooth hair texture, and also to prevent damage due to external pollutants and sun exposures. So when it comes to choosing a conditioner, there are a lot of ingredients in the conditioner. One is dimethicone, which helps to make the hair silky and smooth. The other ingredients like moisturizer or a sun protection factor will help in preventing damage due to over sun exposure. You might think, how can a sun exposure damage the hair? See, overexposure to the sun will make the hair go dry and it is easily breakable. By applying a good sun protection factor on the hair, it will help to retain the volume and also to retain the thickness of the hair, thereby prevent damage to the hair follicles. When it comes to the usage of conditioner, see, the conditioner doesn't just make the hair silky and smooth, it helps in maintaining and also preventing damage due to external factors like pollutants and also over sun exposure. By choosing right shampoo, conditioner and hair color, you can retain your crown of glory.